Good morning children, Rohana ma'am here once again. Regarding we are starting your FA1 exams on Monday, from this coming Monday. So I have just given you the portions on the board. Like everybody has already done, the children who are attempting the homework will always know what I have written on the board. They will be able to connect to what I have written on the board. So for the first standard English portions of the FA1 exam, first standard, I have taught you all the lesson 1, health is happiness, in which I have made you all study the names of vegetables, fruits, drinks and meat. So you all have to write, you all should be able to write the names what you have studied, what you have written in your note and what you have studied. And the names of some daily activities like what I told, bathing, playing, studying, laughing, jumping, those activities, ing words, those daily activities that I had given you all a few work on, homework on to do, those activities, some of those activities you will have to name, either 2 or 4 activities you will have to name. So you all should know the spellings of the daily activities. Then color and draw your favorite food items. So for first standard, this is the portion. From this lesson anything can come, because you have already finished the exercise at the back of the lesson. You have written few things on your notebook. You know what you have to do. So on basis of what I have taught you, on the basis of that only I have given the portion, and you will have to just study this. English is on day 1. So on Monday you have English. So you will have to study this. In case you have first standard children have any doubts, you can always call Rohana ma'am, and you can always call me on my number and talk to me, or you can send me a message on WhatsApp and I'll always reply back to you. Now coming here to the second standard. Now the second standard portions, what I have given is, I have taught you lesson 1, that is Raksha Bandhan, along with a poem connected in lesson 1. So related to lesson 1 only, you will have your question answers and your word meanings, which I have already made you write in your classwork note. So those things will be, that lesson 1 and question answer and word meanings will have to be studied. Then there is a grammar portion in which it comes in the exercise of the textbook, where you have learned between, the between word you have learned, and opposites. And opposites, that's at the back exercise of the textbook and for lesson 1. And draw and color simple Rakhi. So this is the only thing that you have to study. That's, everything is in your textbook, the first lesson in your textbook for second standard. So it's lesson 1 for second standard and same lesson 1 for first standard. The children just have a glance on the board. You have a glance. If you have any problem, you can call and send Rohana miss a message on WhatsApp, and I'll get back to you to clear your doubts. So even second standard and first standard both have English on Monday. So please study on this weekends. It will be an online exam which you can then write the paper and take a pic and send it back to me, like how you all were doing the homework, and then Miss will correct it and write down your marks. Okay children, that's all. Just take a look on this and then you can this thing.